Hi, today we're going to make bacon wrapped chicken. So for the ingredients we have balsamic vinegar, 5 chicken breasts, rosemary, bacon strips, garlic, cherry tomatoes, onion and tomato paste. First we'll spread the rosemary on the chicken breasts. Get the bacon strips and carefully wrap them around the chicken breasts. After wrapping the bacon, you can put toothpicks to keep the bacon in place. So now add oil to the saucepan. Add garlic. And also add onions. Now add the chicken into the pan. Fry both sides until golden brown. Carefully turn the chicken over. Now you may add the balsamic vinegar. Now cover the pan. Allow it to simmer. Now add the cherry tomatoes. Now add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste.
And they get annoyed, they're just like,
This is what it should look like when you turn the chicken over. This is the finished product. Dinner is served.